What specific features are to be listed concerning a type of burial? A. Vedic burial types. B. Harappan burial types. C. Modern burial types. D. Megalithic burial types. The correct answer is D. Megalithic burial types. The Saluva dynasty came to an end with the death of whom? A. Krishnadev Rai. B. Bukka. C. Harihar. D. Saluva Narsimha. The correct answer is D. Saluva Narsimha. Which region were the Hoysalas assimilated into as the empire expanded? A. Kerala. B. Orissa. C. Kondavidu. D. Vijayanagar. The correct answer is D. Vijayanagar. What is the nature of the civilization of the Aryans described in the text? A. Rural. B. Desert. C. Maritime. D. Urban. The correct answer is A. Rural. When did Homo habilis first make tools in Africa? A. About 3 million years ago. B. About 1.8 million years ago. C. About 2.6 million years ago. D. About 2 million years ago. The correct answer is C. About 2.6 million years ago. Who was entrusted with the task of capturing a coat? A. Stringer Lawrence. B. Chanda Sahib. C. Robert Clive. D. Anwaruddin Khan. The correct answer is C. Robert Clive. What facilities were provided in the Brahman settlements created by kings? A. Military fortifications. B. Educational institutions. C. Irrigation facilities. D. Trade routes. The correct answer is C. Irrigation facilities. What is the approximate time period for the Chinese civilization listed? A. 3500 to 2000 BC, BCE. Born in 1700 to 1122 BC, BCE. Circa 3300 to 1900 BC, BCE. D. 3100 to 1100 BC, BCE. The correct answer is born in 1700 to 1122 BC, BCE. Which of the following languages was M.C. Raja not known to have known? A. French. B. Russian. C. German. D. Japanese. The correct answer is D. Japanese. Who was among the early Indian nationalists that formulated an economic critique of colonialism? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Sardar Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. What specific aspect of the temples is suggested for comparison to see differences in each epoch? A. Their patron deities and rituals. B. Their construction materials and engineering. C. Their structural and sculptural designs. D. Their size and location. The correct answer is C. Their structural and sculptural designs. What did the Nayak of Madurai notice about the chieftains? A. They were easily controlled. B. They desired more power. C. They supported Viswanatha. D. They were loyal. The correct answer is B. They desired more power. Which leaders formed the Swaraj Party within the Congress? A. Rajaji and Kasturirangar. B. S. Srinivasnar and C. Rajaji. C. M. A. Ansari and S. Satyamurthy. D. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. The correct answer is D. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. What was a significant objective considered for international cooperation among nations? A. Achieving lasting peace. B. Enhancing military power. C. Establishing colonial rule. D. Promoting national isolation. The correct answer is A. Achieving lasting peace. From which land did King Naram-Sin of the Akkadiya Empire buy jewelry? A. Dilmun. B. Melukha. C. Magan. D. Pant. The correct answer is B. Melukha. Which term is linked to monopoly trade? A. Feudalism. B. Inquisition. C. Mercantilism. D. Humanism. The correct answer is C. Mercantilism. Where was the Thenklai sect of Vaishnavism centered? A. Srirangam. B. Agra. C. Govardhan Hills. D. Mathura. The correct answer is A. Srirangam. What was uprooted in the villages of the country due to the railways? A. Traditional agricultural practices. B. Modern factories. C. New urban centers. D. Traditional industries. The correct answer is D. Traditional industries. Vaishnavism is based on the avatars of which deity? A. Indra. B. Shiva. C. Brahma. D. Vishnu. The correct answer is D. Vishnu. The text mentions learning about which kingdoms that emerged after the fall of the Mauryan Empire? A. South Indian kingdoms. B. Western Indian kingdoms. C. North Indian kingdoms. D. Eastern Indian kingdoms. The correct answer is A. South Indian kingdoms. What skill of dogs did early humans utilize for protection and hunting? A. Speed. B. Barking. C. Strength. D. Sniffing. The correct answer is D. Sniffing. The Temple of Zeus at Olympia is considered one of the 7 wonders of which era? A. Ancient world. B. Modern world. C. Industrial age. D. Medieval world. The correct answer is A. Ancient world. Why were children employed in textile mills during the Industrial Revolution? A. They were legally required to work. B. They worked for lower wages. C. They were more skilled than adults. D. They preferred mill work to other jobs. The correct answer is B. They worked for lower wages. Which invasion led to the downfall of the Gupta Empire? A. Persian invasion. B. Hunna invasion. C. Warab invasion. D. Greek invasion. The correct answer is B. Hunna invasion. What was the name of the hall in Fatehpur Sikri where discussions were held? A. Ibadat Khana. B. Diwan-i Khas. C. Diwan-i-am. D. Panch Mahal. The correct answer is A. Ibadat Khana. What impelled mariners to sail into the high seas during the Renaissance? A. Religious persecution. B. Ideological debate. C. Inquisitiveness and empiricism. D. Economic depression. The correct answer is C. Inquisitiveness and empiricism. What are students expected to learn about the Mauryan Empire regarding administration, society, and economy? A. Their trade routes only. B. Their decline factors. C. Their main features and nature. D. Their military strategies only. The correct answer is C. Their main features and nature. When was the Punjab Land Alienation Act passed? A. 1875. Born in 1921. Circa 1793. D. 1900. The correct answer is D. 1900. What did temples require to function as economic enterprises? A. Minimal human resources. B. Only imported luxury goods. C. Only religious offerings. D. A variety of goods and services. The correct answer is D. A variety of goods and services. Who drove Babur out of Farjana? A. Rana Sanga. B. Uzbeks. C. Afghans. D. Persians. The correct answer is B. Uzbeks. How did you score?